Love. To like someone very much and have romantic feelings for them. Like. To enjoy something or feel that someone or something is pleasant. Hate. To dislike someone or something very much. Happy. Pleased and in a good mood, especially because something good has happened. Angry. Having a strong feeling against someone who has behaved badly. Example. He was my first love. Whom the gods love, die young. You're the love of my life. Love makes the world go round. There's no time like the present. The children like play toys. My son dislikes dogs. He who likes borrowing dislikes paying. I hate to see you unhappy. I hate to trouble you. I hate getting to the theater late. I hate it when people cry. He is truly happy who makes others happy. Happy is the man who is living by his hobby. I want to make you happy. I came home late, and my mother was angry. He may get angry. She seemed tense and angry. Sad. Unhappy or making you feel unhappy. Upset. Unhappy or worried because something unpleasant has happened. Thirsty. Wanting or needing a drink. Cold. Unfriendly or showing no emotion. Hot. Exciting or interesting. Example. This music always makes me sad. He wept when he heard the sad news. She was sad to see him go. Nothing ever seems to upset him. Don't let her upset you. The last thing I wanted was to upset you. Don't be upset, I was just joking. The thirsty man craved water. He was thirsty for news. Salty food makes one thirsty. He became thirsty with running. I often feel thirsty when it's very hot. Hasty love is soon hot and soon cold. Cold hands, warm heart. His manner was cold and unwelcoming. The opposite of hot is cold. She became quite cold and distant with me. hungry, wanting or needing food. Well, everything is in a good. Ill, not feeling well or suffering from a disease. Tired, feeling that you want to rest or sleep. Surprised, the feeling caused by something unexpected or unusual. Example: they were hungry and thirsty. I'm hungry, let's have lunch. Do you still feel hungry? The hungry man devoured his dinner. Gray goes well with red. I hope you get well soon. Better to do well than to say well. Not to say well, but to do well. I felt ill, so I went home. His grandmother is seriously ill. He is critically ill in hospital. Are you tired after your labors? He was very tired. I'm very tired with that long walk. They surprised us with a visit. I was somewhat surprised to see him. We were surprised by the news.